In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a symbol or special character in Microsoft Word. This is a very useful feature, especially if you're working on professional documents, school projects, resumes, or even simple reports where you need to add characters that aren't available on your keyboard. For example, you might need a copyright symbol, a trademark sign, currency symbols, mathematical symbols, or even accented letters. Microsoft Word has a built-in library of symbols and special characters, and once you know where to find it, inserting them becomes quick and easy. To get started, open your document in Microsoft Word and click where you want the symbol to appear. This is important because the symbol will be inserted exactly at your cursor position. Next, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This tab contains tools for adding different elements into your document, such as pictures, shapes, tables, and, of course, symbols. Now, look toward the right side of the ribbon and find the option labeled Symbol. Click on it, and you'll see a small drop-down menu showing a few commonly used symbols. If the symbol you need is visible there, you can simply click it, and Word will instantly insert it into your document. However, if you don't see the symbol you want, click More Symbols at the bottom of the menu. This will open the Symbol window, where you can access a much larger collection of special characters. Inside this window, you can browse through different symbols by scrolling, or you can use the Font drop-down menu to switch between symbol sets. Some fonts include extra characters, so if you're not finding what you need right away, changing the font can help. You can also use the Subset drop-down menu, which is very useful because it organizes symbols into categories, such as currency symbols, punctuation marks, mathematical operators, and arrows. Once you find the symbol you want, click on it to highlight it and then select Insert. The symbol will immediately appear in your document. If you're inserting a special character like an M-dash, ellipsis, or non-breaking space, you can also switch to the Special Characters tab inside the same window. This section contains characters commonly used in professional writing and formatting. When you're finished, click Close to exit the symbol window. As a helpful tip, if you use certain symbols frequently, Word will remember them and show them in the quick symbol drop-down list, making it even faster next time. And that's how you can insert symbols and special characters in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.